Welcome back to this video. My name is Rafi Yakub right here, and today's PC tips, I'm going to show you on how to speed up your computer right now. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are fairly new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. Right, so the very first thing you want to do is to simply come down below right here where you have your window PC icon. Right click on it, and this is going to pump up. Next thing you need to do is to simply go to settings. Then this box is going to open up. Next thing you need to do is to simply navigate to apps right here. Then the next thing you need to do is to simply go to startup, and it's taking you right here. And one of the reasons why your PC runs very slow is because some of the apps here have been run on as at the time when you on your PC. And for you to increase performance and boost your PC performance, what you need to do is to simply turn off as many as possible app right here. So I'm going to simply turn off this, and I'm going to simply turn off this, and this. And you can see you can turn off as many as possible. And by turning off some of the apps that are running in the background of your PC, this allow your PC to increase in performance, and you are going to enjoy the workflow or whatever you are doing on your PC. It's as simple as that. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial, tips and tricks about Windows PC. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Peace.